It's my friend Tommy. He's a little crazy. He didn't like the last one, did it again. Looks so good. Area 51 opens today. I am so stoked. And if you're like, dude, Keystone already opened Area 51. Not true. They opened a little like side park, but like this is like the legit Area 51 with the Area 51 chairlift. Like my home. I've rode the Area 51 chairlift more than any chairlift, period. That's why I go to Keystone. People ask me all the time, what's your favorite mountain? I don't have a favorite mountain yet. However, I do have a favorite chairlift. It's the Area 51 chairlift. It's never really busy. It's just lapping the park. It's so sick. However, it's not the sickest day for park. It is dumping and overcast and windy, but that's the other thing that's sick about Area 51 is it sits underneath the wind, so it should be nice and calm in there. And we gotta hit the park, and there's no powder. We got an inch of snow. We need snow. Before we jump into the mountain though, I do want to mention, guys, we have a goggle giveaway. These are the sick like green and white ones with a sick mid-light, just gray lens, magnetic goggles. If you want to win these, or if you don't think you're gonna win and you want to buy goggles, these are only $40 goggles with $30 lenses that you can swap. So for the price of one like high-end goggle, you can get these goggles with the magnetic lenses and like 4 other lenses like highlight, mid-light, low light, and you're good to go. But if you don't have $40 or you don't want to buy them, but you want to try to win them, hit that link in the description and enter the win. And now we're just waiting for Tommy to get here, and we're gonna start ripping. You ready to ride some park?
Yo, let's get it, dude.
Do you even know how to ride park?
Dude, I've been in there once, but I'm about to go in again, so I'm pretty hyped. Gotta wax with the board, gotta feel good, let's go. I actually just posted a how to wax video.
Oh yeah, Tommy has a YouTube channel.
And,
go subscribe.
This is like the key. Don't scrape at your house, scrape in the parking lot. You don't have to deal with the mess. Shh. It's biodegradable, it's fine.
Well, that's not good. It's closed. It should open today, and when it does, we'll get in there. Park's open, let's get it.
Oh, what? Let's go.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffing. Core with digits, give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Bim Papa, word the G, baby. Look, lab till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave. And I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid. Had to find a way to get it. Know the season what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm brink with the blade. And I'm brinking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussions, you know what you need to. I keep it in the fam to let you know that I don't need you. Y'all cats be see-through, heading out to peace. You been king, I'm regal, got it in my Abisu. Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me.
Such a gnarly gust of wind.
Oh.
See the creeper?
Then there's a creeper. I definitely didn't catch that.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Oh, it's fresh meat.
Alright guys, so right now we're just trying to figure out what is in this park. There's so much stuff. It's a smart idea to scope it out before you just send it, because I could have died like 3 times. I didn't know that was a creeper. I tried to do that 4 times.
I mean, you told me 4 times, but like obviously you didn't explain it.
So yeah, the park is sick, guys. You should come check it out. Are you looking at my sticker? What? I guess we should do today's sticker shout out. We got Blake Hubell with the Keep Evolving sticker on the board. Dude, thank you so much for supporting the channel. That's actually my favorite sticker. I don't know if you guys like that one. I think that one's sick. This one's pretty sick too. However, you guys need stickers. We need to sell more stickers. So all the stickers are 10% off. So snag an Evolution sticker, 10% off, and then tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs throughout the season. Also, today's been freezing cold. So if you guys want to stay warm on the mountain like we were today, not like the GoPro, snag some Evolution merch. It's at the bottom of the video. Warmest merch in the game, guys. I promise you'll be toasty warm. Hey guys, since we're plugging like super hard, let's mention that Sean just joined the Patreon page. Dude, thank you so much for the support. Guys, if you want to support these daily videos, the only reason why I can do it is because of the Patreon supporters. So if you want to be a Patreon, you can donate $1, $5, $15, $30. It all goes up, but every tier has an option for me to give back to you, like discount on merch, live streams on the Patreon page, extra videos with the Snowboard 101 course. So check out the Patreon page. Our goal is to get 100 before the end of the season, and we're at 58, which is so sick. So thank you for the support, guys. Guys, my board is hurt. It's bleeding. What?
Where's the orange rail?
It's that red one down there.
Oh.
So what that is, guys, is that's paint from the rails. These 3 rails are freshly painted, and as you slide them, you're literally ripping the paint off. Super sketchy. That's why I'm having a hard time with this left line. Because like mentally, I'm like, I'm gonna catch my edge on this paint. We gotta get that board 2.7 out though.
Just to further elaborate,
Alright guys, as you can tell, it's a beautiful day out here. We're super warm. It's great.
sunny and sick, Brett.
So we're having mad camera issues. So we like got off the gimbal, got back on the gimbal. Battery's dying left and right. We're trying to make it work. For you guys and for Keystone, we're actually making an Instagram edit for Keystone today, which is so sick to be working with the resort. It's just a little bit of a challenging day to do so. So we're doing our best, and we love you guys. All right, so from the last clip to now, the GoPro would not work. So we came inside to kind of warm it up. Today is that day though where everything's what I was trying to say before the GoPro died was today's one of those days where everything's trying to work against us, but we're still out here getting it and we still have a really good mood, so we're crushing it. And we got a free muffin. All right guys, pro tip. We are going to rubber band hand warmers to the gimbal to hopefully keep it warm, and then we're gonna put a rubber band on the GoPro, which Tommy's holding. DBS, don't be soft, make it work. Guys, look, we're back on the mountain, and hopefully you stay alive.
Please don't die to me.
Hand warmers are working, guys. I'm stoked. Alright guys, so this is the gnarliest rail I think Keystone's made in a while. You got chain. Boom, 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 boom. We've hit this a couple times today, but Tommy's gonna front board it like a madman. So, woo, here we go. How do you feel about that?
It's terrifying because I'm afraid to catch an edge, but then the sound of it is like a freaking dragon like yelling at me. So I'm kind of scared.
You got this.
Don't be soft.
Don't be soft. Yeah! Yeah! What is wrong with you, dude?
Can I do one more?
That was the heaviest thing in the park of the day, for sure. my friend Tommy. He's a little crazy. He didn't like the last one, did it again. Looks so good.
Let me ask you a question.
What's up?
What the heck are you doing without your board on?
I'm trying to visualize the trick before I try it. So I'm thinking, guys, is I'm going to 180 onto this 2-7 out. Hopefully we get it.
Trying to block the wind.
Guys, that was a pretty heavy trick for me, honestly. There's no lip there, so I had to ollie that 180 on. Woofda! Alright guys, that was the last hit on the park. I think we got some bangers today. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Will this enjoy the trick sick today? That was nuts! Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk. We crushed it. Dude, what a sick day. We crushed it today. Everything that could go wrong today did go wrong. Tommy ripped his jacket.
Rip.
Cold, GoPro dying. We couldn't get employee food down at the mountain house. The free muffin was the only win other than us just having a good attitude and crushing it.
And we didn't get hurt.
And no one got hurt.
So we're winning.
Winning. Woo! So despite today being a challenging day for sure, it was super fun and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, drop a thumbs up, share the video if you want. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We want to help you become the best snowboarder possible. We do that by dropping tips in these vlogs or posting how-to videos. But also if you do subscribe to Team Huckhouse, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified when these videos do get posted, which we post every single day, which is pretty absurd. I can't believe we're still doing it, but the grind is hard. Daily snowboard vlogs. I want to take 2 days off a week, but we still post content. All right, guys, I'm cold. I need to get home. I hope you guys liked this video. With that, Team Huckhouse, thank you for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Cliffhanger, yes I so do. Banger, I'm the new Mick.
That boy killed that. Goodbye.